This is a short video on how to find images that do not have to be purchased, and can be used without the copyright holder's permission. The image on this slide is not free as indicated by the watermark. Purchasing this image would give you the right to use it. However, most teachers and students do not want to pay for images. Luckily, there is an easy way to find images that are free and legal to use. First, you will need to conduct a search. For this demonstration, I will search for images of young children. Since I only want images, I will click on images at the top of the results screen. Not surprisingly, hundreds of images are found, but not all are free or legal to use. We need to complete one more step to narrow down the results. Click on Tools at the top of the page, and another row of options appears. Click on Usage Rights, and select Labeled for Reuse from the drop-down menu. Now only images that can be legally used are displayed. When you find an image that you would like to use, do not simply right-click and save the image. There may be limitations placed on the use of the image, so you need to go to the source website. Click on the image that you want to use, and a preview of the image appears. You will notice the reminder that the image may be subject to copyright, which Google always includes in an attempt to stop the illegal use of images. Most people realize that it is wrong to copy text they find online, but many don't think this applies to images. Click on the name of the source website to find the picture on the site. Here is the image on the source website, Pixabay. It provides the photographer's username and the license requirements. This photo could be used for commercial purposes, meaning you can use it on something that you sell. More importantly, for our purpose, no attribution is required. This means that you do not need to include information such as the name of the picture, the name of the photographer, or the link to the source site. There is also a button to download the image. Not all images will have the same license, so let's check another image. I clicked on this image to preview it, and then went to Flickr where the image is located. Flickr provides similar information to Pixabay, and we can see that some rights are reserved, meaning that there are limitations on the use of this image. Click on that link to learn what they are. The link takes us to the Creative Commons website, where we can see that this image has a CC by SA 2.0 license, rather than a CC0 license. We are free to use and even adapt the image, as long as we follow the license terms. Scroll down the page to see those terms. Since it is unlikely that you will be modifying the image, the important part is that this photographer wants to be acknowledged, so an attribution must be included under the image. I have included a link under this video to information on how to properly give attribution. Although different examples are shown, you should follow the ideal attribution requirements. It is important for you to know that using copyright images without the copyright holder's permission, or not providing attribution when required, are considered acts of academic misconduct by the university, and are as serious as other acts of plagiarism. Images found on Photos for Class include the attribution under the image, making it an ideal site for students. It also filters images, so that only those appropriate for the school setting are included on the site. This is an example of an image downloaded from the site, and even though attribution is not required, a citation is included in the black box at the bottom of the photo, which is a good practice for students to become accustomed to. If all of the images you use in a PowerPoint presentation, or other project do not require an attribution, including a statement such as, "All the images used in this presentation were obtained from Pixabay.com, no attributions required," will make it clear that you are legally able to use the images. Hopefully this video has been helpful, and you now know how to find free images that are legal to use. This video was created from slides made in PowerPoint using Video Puppet. I do not have a webcam or microphone on my home computer, so I have to improvise. Luckily, there are a number of free tools available. I learned about Video Puppet from Richard Burns' Free Technology for Teachers blog. Thanks for watching.